The 1966 Volkswagen Type 2 Kombi Pacha Collection Ibiza is a one-of-a-kind vehicle that captures the essence of two eras, the free-spirited 1960s and the electrifying 1990s club culture of Ibiza. Originally produced as a factory sunroof model, this Volkswagen Kombi began its journey as a symbol of simplicity and adventure. Decades later, it was transformed into a rolling icon of nightlife by one of the most famous clubs in the world, Pacha Ibiza. Pacha opened its doors in 1973 on the Spanish island of Ibiza and quickly became a global hub for dance music and Balearic house. During the early 1990s, the club acquired this 1966 Volkswagen Type 2 Kombi and fully customized it for promotional use and live DJ performances. The van was painted in Pacha's signature cream and cherry red colors, with the traditional Volkswagen badge replaced by the club's distinctive cherry logo. Inside, every surface reflected the club's vibrant energy, featuring two-tone vinyl upholstery and a unique max power style sound system with multiple TVs and powerful door speakers. The Kombi was more than a showpiece. It was a mobile DJ booth. Equipped with Pioneer turntables, a mixer, amplifiers, and Blaupunkt speakers, it was used both to promote Pacha across the island during the day and to host impromptu sets at night. Resident DJ Mr. P and world-renowned artists such as Pete Tong, who even signed the inside panel, performed from within its compact yet functional space. Its popularity inspired Pacha-themed merchandise, including miniature Volkswagen bus models, bags, and piggy banks. In 2007, Mr. P imported the van to the United Kingdom, where Burnt Orange Customs carried out a detailed restoration. The goal was to preserve its original charm while upgrading its technology for continued DJ use. The iconic cherry logos remained, and the sound system was modernized to meet professional standards. Today, the Pacha Ibiza Volkswagen Type 2 Kombi stands as a rare cultural artifact, a bridge between automotive heritage and the golden age of Ibiza's electronic music. Restored to perfection, yet faithful to its history, it represents not just a vehicle, but a living symbol of rhythm, freedom, and timeless style.